Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about how coconut milk can be a game changer for fertility, pregnancy, and child health. Let's get started. Research in oxidative medicine and cellular longevity shows coconut's healthy fats and antioxidants support reproductive health. 1. Fertility. MCTs in coconut improve hormone balance and egg and sperm quality. 2. Pregnancy. The iron plus folate in coconut milk prevent anemia and aid fetal brain development, NIH. 3. Postpartum recovery. Lauric acid boosts milk production and immunity for mom and baby. Pediatric studies highlight coconut milk as a dairy-free powerhouse for kids. Brain development. MCTs fuel growing brains. Journal of Pediatrics. Digestion. Easy to absorb, reduces colic and allergies. Immunity. Antimicrobial properties fight infections. Half a cup organic coconut powder, unsweetened. 1.5 cups warm water. A pinch of salt, or vanilla for sweetness. Pro tip: shake well before use, it separates naturally. Why swap dairy for coconut milk? A 2021 study in Frontiers in Nutrition highlights that coconut milk supports heart health, promotes glowy skin and hair, is lactose-free, perfect for vegans or lactose intolerance. Plus, it's creamy, versatile, and oh so delicious. Now, here's a blood sugar-friendly superstar. Coconut milk turmeric lentil soup. Coconut milk slows glucose absorption. Turmeric and lentils reduce inflammation and balance insulin. We're posting the full recipe on Monday. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. If you're on a fertility journey, expecting or raising healthy kids, coconut milk is your ally. Like this video, subscribe for the soup recipe, and comment coconut below if you want more hormone balancing foods. See you later.